Accumulating ice has been a problem during the overnight hours and will probably continue at least through the early part of Friday morning. We may see some additional sleet, rain mixed with snow at times as the backside of the system rolls through later this morning and early this afternoon, but most of the precip should be over with as we head into the afternoon and evening hours, but temperatures will be dropping again, so wet roadways could refreeze overnight tonight. Winter storm warnings will continue to be in effect through at least noon across most of Acadiana with winter weather advisories. We've seen freezing rain for most of the night, and some of those rains have been heavy at times. We've seen some significant ice accumulations up to 1/4 of an inch, a little less than what was originally anticipated, but still that upper level low is out to the west and might at least produce some more freezing rain over the course of the early morning hours, generally during the pre-dawn hours. Notice how the stream of moisture is coming northward. Not quite as much being seen on the radars, although out there in the central part of the Gulf, that may still be out of range from some of the radars in Brownsville, Corpus, Houston, as well as Lake Charles. So we'll continue to watch to see what's going to happen there, but the icy conditions could go through about midday and still some freezing rain over the northern sections. I think by the 5 o'clock drive, most of the precip will be over. We will see skies partly to mostly cloudy overnight, but with temperatures falling back into the 20s overnight, any bridges and overpasses that are wet today may refreeze. So for the areas that are under the winter storm warning, the freezing rain will continue this morning with ice accumulations possibly approaching half an inch, and midday we'll see rain mixed with sleet. Temperatures probably at or just slightly above the freezing point, so some melting taking place. Cloudy skies this evening, but temperatures will be dropping, so refreezing could be possible. And in areas where we're seeing the winter weather advisory, freezing rain mixed with sleet, some light accumulations possible over the southern parishes. A rain and sleet mix by midday, temperatures though climbing above freezing, and as the precip ends we will see some refreezing on bridges and overpasses possible as temperatures again tonight drop back below the freezing point. So that's an update on our winter weather situation. Winter storm warnings will stay in effect until noon today. Of course, we'll have a complete look at your weather forecast and all of your road closures and school closures coming up on Good Morning Acadiana starting Friday morning at 4:30. I'm meteorologist Dave Baker in the Storm Team 3 Weather Lab. Thanks for visiting KATC.com.